I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you are signed into the Microsoft account linked to the Insider program, and you create a restore point or backup so you can recover if needed. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security, and select Windows Insider Program. Make sure the device is online and you have administrative rights. This step prepares Windows for changes and prevents data loss. It also shows your current Insider channel, so you know which preview path you are leaving. You now choose how to exit. Select Stop Getting Preview Builds if available, or switch to the Release Preview channel to receive stable updates only. When prompted, unlink the Microsoft account from Insider settings if you prefer complete opt-out. This severs the enrollment. Confirm all on-screen prompts and accept any required restarts. Make sure to read the confirmation text, because Windows explains whether you will stay on the current build until a public release or finish by restarting your PC and verifying under Windows Update that you no longer receive Insider builds. Once done, remove optional preview packages or pending Insider updates to avoid accidental reinstalls. If Windows reports you remain on a preview build, note that you may need to wait for a public release to automatically move to a stable build, or you can roll back using System Restore or a clean install to exit immediately. If something goes wrong, use the restore point you created to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.